Hello dear children, hope you all are doing good. Are you all ready for the class? Yes, come on, let's begin. In lesson 1 GK, we have learnt about the landforms on the earth. Come on, let's revise once again. What are the different landforms on the earth? Mountains, plateaus, plains, hills, deserts, valleys, oceans, rivers and seas. Now today we are going to learn about the weather facts. Weather is the daily state of atmosphere or air in any given place. Weather includes rain, sunshine, storm, thunder, lightning, snow, etc. Weather is important for people. It affects their comfort, food supply and their safety. Now children, come on. Let's know and learn about the weather facts.
Children, let us know about what is weather. Weather refers to day-to-day temperature and precipitation activity. It is the daily state of air or atmosphere of a particular place. Weather includes sunshine, rain, cloud, wind, snow, hail, storms, thunder and lightning. Let us learn about the facts and effects of the weather. A rain gauge. A rain gauge is used to measure the amount of rain over a certain period of time. Lightning. Lightning is a powerful burst of electricity. Thunder. There cannot be thunder without lightning. There are above more than 1,800 thunderstorms occurring at any given time on earth. Rainbow. A rainbow is not an object, so no matter how close you think you are, you cannot touch a rainbow. It is a multicolored arc made by light striking water droplets. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the rainy season. Wind. Depending on its strength, wind is known as a breeze, gale, storm or hurricane. Rainfall. Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, India is the second wettest place on earth and the only place in India to receive rain all around the world. Mausiram in Meghalaya, India, noted as being the wettest place on earth with over 11 meters of rain falling every year. It receives over 10,000 millimeters of rain in an average year, and the vast majority of rain it falls during the monsoon months. Heat. India recorded its highest ever temperature when the heat in the town of Phalodi in Rajasthan shoot up to 51 degrees Celsius. Anemometers. Anemometers are used to measure wind speed. An anemometer is a device used for measuring wind speed and the direction.
Children, for your homework, take lesson 1. Complete the blanks with the right answer on page numbers 6 to 8. And on page 9, read the weather facts. That is, the weather facts, and learn the difficult words and write 3 times in your rough notebook. Thank you children and God bless you. See you in the next class.